everybody, this one is a Macintosh here, and on this video we have an unboxing. Recently I've been using the Griffin Intellicase on my iPad, but it's starting to rip up here, as you can see, and I don't like that, and also I don't like how to open it. You have to fold this into here to make the stand. So, I went to the Apple Store and got the iPad Smart Case, which is the smart cover with the case part, basically. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this right here. So you just pull the little tab here, like that. And then I believe you push it through, and then here's the smart case, and you open it, the microfiber on the inside, and a little piece here to hold it together. And I didn't see many videos of this on YouTube, but the case is not a hard case, as you can kind of see here. So that's good. We're going to go ahead and install it on the iPad, the new one, after taking off this case. One of the other things I didn't like about this case is how open it leaves the bottom right there. So now we're going to put the iPad into this smart case. And there we go. You can see the bottom right here. The speaker is covered, but I hear there's no sound distortion. The 30-pin connector is still usable. The volume rocker is now a raised button here, covered completely. The volume and orientation switch is still there. The camera is not covered either. The power button is covered, microphone, and headphones. And you can see, obviously it opens and closes. I've heard some complaints about this case that it's kind of hard to open unless you have fingernails, but you know, I really don't see how that's a big issue. Let's see how it stands. Roll this up, and now you have the typing mode and also the stand. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe.